AstroLift is a reparative volumizing spray that was developed for those with fine, fragile, and aging hair who are seeking damage repair in their styling products. Understanding that this hair type, fine, fragile, and aging, is more prone to damage and breakage because of the biology of the hair, this product is helping to repair that damage, but also giving the user the volume and lift that they seek.
AstroLift is my new favorite. What I love about it the most that it's a very lightweight. It dries quickly and it gives that beautiful volume without feeling of any stickiness.
The volumizing blend is based on a protein-rich algae and arginine. And it works together to put a very, very lightweight barrier on the hair that's proven to increase each hair strand diameter thickness up to 25%. And then we combine that with a humidity-resistant polymer that's going to create space between the hair strands and give that really light and airy volume.
I recommend the AstroLift to my colored hair clients, especially if they have any chemical damages at the salon.
Just like our molecular repair products, the K18 peptide in AstroLift is going to reconnect broken polypeptide chains to repair damage from bleach, chemicals, and heat. The K18 peptide is always going to work best on clean, damp hair, but it can also be used after the K18 mask, after the 4-minute wait time, and it'll also work on dry hair. We tested the product and we are clinically proven 2.5 times more all-over volume that lasts up to 2 days with one application. Even after humidity, in all cases, there was little to no volume loss.
It's very easy to use for pro stylists at the salon. Wash the hair, towel dry. This is where I recommend the K18 repair service, and then you can use AstroLift. Just shake the bottle, hold it 4 to 6 inches from the hair, and spray it on the roots and on the length. Dry the hair, blow dry it, and then you can use it again when the hair is completely dry.
It's a super versatile product. You're going to get the most volume when you apply it to damp hair and then blow dry it in. But we tested it on dry hair, we tested it on damp hair with air dry, whether it's a diffuser on curly hair or blow dry for smooth blowout. It's going to work in every use case.
2 days of natural, touchable, movable volume, powered by biotech.